This video explains how to complete the Spent assignment. Spent is a web-based game where you will see what it is like to not have a good paying job and to struggle to survive. Spent casts players as newly unemployed middle-class workers searching for a job. Players will face the next month with only $1,000 in the bank. When the financial math doesn't add up, players face gut-wrenching decisions like, do I pay for health care? How am I going to pay the rent or mortgage? Which bill do I pay since I can only afford one this month? Cell phone or car insurance? Do I send my kid to a birthday party without a gift since I can't afford it? So you can read the rest of the description. The directions are here. Click on the link to visit the Spent website and follow the rest of the directions so that you can accept the challenge and play the game Spent. Make sure that you read the tips before playing. And once you've completed the Spent exercise, you're going to respond to the following reflection questions. This is a journal assignment, so you'll click on the Spent link. You'll copy the questions. Use your name as the title. Paste questions. Answer here. You can just answer right at the end of these questions. And then you post your entry.